Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 23rd, 2022. Today, car game. 10 questions. Number 1. Oh no! The is empty. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This is the thing in the car that holds the petroleum. It holds the fuel. And the first letter is a G. Gas tank. The gas tank is empty. It's not full. Number 2, we will use a. This is a little thing you can hold in your hand and you press a button. And when you press the button, the engine of the car will begin to operate, even from a distance. Remote starter. We'll use a remote starter. Number 3 is about this one. These are 2 tires. One has lots of air. It's okay, but the other one doesn't have air inside. And then someone says, oh no, we have a tire. Do we have a tire? So this one has two questions for 2 points, 1 bonus point. The bottom one is an extra tire that you can put on in case of emergency. Flat tire is 1 point. Spare tire is a bonus point. In order to stop a car, you have to push the with your foot. Brake pedal. You have to push the brake pedal with your foot. Number 5, she is sitting in the. I have a picture. It's this part at the back of the car. You have a key and you can open it. Sometimes they look like the one in the picture, and sometimes they're deeper. And the last letter is a K. Trunk. She's sitting in the trunk. When we are driving a car with a standard transmission, we have first gear, second gear, third gear, sometimes fourth gear and fifth gear. But my question is, in the middle you have no gear. What is that called? We say the car is not in gear now. It is in neutral. The car is idling now. It's not moving. It's not in gear. It's in neutral. Number 7. That car has. I'll show you a picture. These are the things on the outside of the car made of glass that people look through. And these ones are special because they are very dark. Tinted. That car has tinted windows. He is holding the... I'll show you a picture. Right here. What is he holding? This is to control the direction that you go. Steering wheel. He's holding the steering wheel. From the verb to steer the car. Number 9. It is called the... I'll show you a picture. This thing here. Not the steering wheel, but behind the steering wheel. This whole area here. What do we call that? Dashboard. It's called the dashboard. In some cars, you can put things on the dashboard, depending on the design. When you are driving, to see behind you, you can look in the... Here's a picture. You can see a guy with his sunglasses. He is looking in the... To see backwards. Rear view mirror. You can look in the rear view mirror. It's in the center of the car. Game over. That was fun. What is your score? Very nice. What city do you live in? Did you use a remote starter before? Did your car have a flat tire before? What do you put in the trunk in your car? Very nice. You're doing very well today. My name is Vinny. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.